Look, your team is unhappy. There's something people aren't telling you and they're whispering it to each other. And no, I'm not going to tell you to hash it out in one-on-ones. Stay with me. I have a practical activity that you can use with your team this week. You need to be willing to get uncomfortable. You need to give people a forum to really get into the meat of what's not working. And there are tons of retro formats out there, but I love this one because it is silly, deep, and gets to the root of problems really, really quick. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to set aside 1 hour with your team, and you're going to make a copy of this template. The link is in my bio. Have everyone anonymously rate the team across these categories: customer value, speed, tech quality, stress, learning, dependability, and fun. Then reveal the results together. For each category, ask for 2 voices, someone who rated it high and someone who rated it lower. This is where you got to commit. Make sure that your team takes the time to discuss these topics. The contrast and the controversial ones are really where the truth comes out. Ask follow-up questions. Tell me more. Does someone have an example? Talk about the good stuff too. I'm curious to learn why people feel so strongly that our tech debt is in such a better spot than it was last quarter. At first, people will hold back and it'll feel tense. But tension means you're finally talking about the real stuff. Pick 1 or 2 of the lowest scoring areas and ask the question, what is one thing that we can do to make this one step better? Assign an owner and follow up. Over time, this builds shared ownership of team culture. People aren't just whispering to each other, they feel responsible to take action to see the change. I'm Sahana, an engineering manager who shares practical and honest advice on how to survive and thrive in tech. Follow for more.